like I do.
Hey! Urso.
He's got like 10 French fries in his mouth. Have another. How many French fries can you eat? Have another. Oh, he dropped one. Come get this one.
Good morning, baby boy.
Buck, 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 buck. Buck, buck, buck.
What you doing?
What you doing?
What you doing?
I'm checking you out. You're screaming. Why are you screaming?
So it's the middle of the day. I replaced all this grass this morning, and these guys don't give a shit that I'm here, or that it's daylight and they're nocturnal animals, or that I have a dog that's been barking all day. Okay, it's 83 degrees this morning, and Tim's going on the walk with the dogs. Leading the way as usual. And he loves taking me for runs. He eats lots of snackies on the way. And then Tim watches the dogs get their water break. Whee! Oh no, I'm so sorry. No. Going for a run again.
Sounds made by a sleeping noodle.
Now go ah.
Get over here. Right here. What the hell did you do? No, this is your mess. No, you've already had enough.
We're way better live.
It is. Wow, that thing's close, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Holy moly, did you see that go?
Don't, but like, you have to be so still. It is 7:55 in the morning. It is Friday though.
Get him to you. Oh my god. Who's this coming into my home?
Pretending to eat vegetables in front of my bearded dragon.
No.
Come on, Betty. This way. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl.
Get a pet velociraptor, you said, Steven. It would be fun, Steven.
Bubby! There he is. Hi. Oh, everybody's coming.